Hi everyone! So for today's video, I have another cosplay review, and since I'm in the Philippines, I got these from Shopee. So I did get a whole set of Marin cosplay, her wig, and also I bought some contacts. I want to show you what contacts I'm using, and it's called Platonic Pink, and it comes with a free lens case. Kind of looks scary, but I feel like once I have the wig and the costume, it'll work so much better. Yeah, so when I wore this contacts without the makeup, it kind of looks scary, to be honest, because pink is not the usual color for people's eyes, and I kind of look like a vampire, to be honest, and especially with this lighting, I look so pale. I don't know why it's making me look super light-skinned. So the first one is the wig. I believe this is around 750 pesos. If I'm wrong, I'll be leaving all the prices and all the links down in the description bar. It usually just comes in these kind of bags, these Ziplocs, and then it comes with this net, hair net. I chose the yellowish blonde because her hair does look kind of yellowish, not like a ashy light blonde, but has a yellow tint to it. It is so long. Oh my gosh, is her hair this long? So it isn't a gradient hair, it just looks like it because what's on top is blonde, but on the other side is just all pink. And I actually like this kind of color of pink. It's like an ashy pink. I feel like it'll fit my skin tone. It doesn't come with the clips, but it does have these hooks on the bottom where you can tighten it. But I feel like I don't really need the clips because since it has bangs, it's probably gonna stay. Compared to the ones that go like up to here, those ones I feel like it's always going up. It's actually okay that it doesn't have clips, and it feels pretty good. The only downside is that I don't like that it's not an ombre. The blonde is just so little. Like, I feel like she needs more blonde, and it's mostly pink, which is all in the back. If you remove the blonde, yeah, you can see all the pink. It also comes with a wig cap. Alright, so for the costume, I believe I got a large. All of this is about 1,000 pesos, which is like $20, which is super cheap. So first is the top. Yeah, it just looks like an ordinary school uniform. Nothing special. The tie, oh no, I'm gonna have trouble with this. I don't know how to tie a necktie, but I will try. Probably gonna look funny how I tie it. It's a thin necktie, which I don't mind. On the picture, it looks chunkier. It looks bigger, but I actually like the skinny ties because it looks more stylish. And I have here the skirt. I'm kind of worried. I feel like it's not gonna fit me, to be honest. It does have a little bit of scrunching here. I don't think it even matters because it's just so little stretch. I wish they'd added more garter here. And the skirt kind of looks short. Oh my gosh, I feel like it's gonna be really short on me because I might have to wear this high-waisted. And then we have here the choker. Just a simple plain choker. Thank God they included these bracelets because I saw in one of the comments that they didn't have it. And her knee-high socks, or actually it's not long. Alright, so I'll be right back and I'll be on my costume after this. I forgot to show you the nails. I did buy some fake nails because she does have really long pink nails. Hopefully the glue works for this because I don't have any other glue with me right now. Hello! So here's the complete look, and I actually really like it. I don't know if it like fits me. It's kind of cute. Look at my nails. It fits perfectly. I love it. and I can't wait to take pictures and post it on my social medias, like on Instagram, and I also cosplay on my Twitch. So if you haven't followed me there yet, I will leave a link right here, or you can find it down in the description below. And yeah, I do recommend everything. The large fits me perfectly. I am not skinny, I'm just an average built, I guess. I feel like large is a US size medium, so if you're a medium in the US, this will fit you. I had trouble with my necktie because I don't know how to tie it. It looks messy right now, but you know, her look is kind of like a rebel messy look, and I really like the nails. Like, it's not the glittery ones, but it has some shine to it, so I love it too. Yeah, follow me on Instagram and on Twitch. I will be posting my cosplay content there too, and also stream my cosplay on Twitch. And also I have a TikTok. I do post TikTok videos, so follow me there as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!